turn 2. Caution will wave.
Second caution of the day.
We're done.
And Brian was actually up there running in the top 20 with this Toyota.
Watch the 83.
I mean, he had to check up because J.J. Yaley in the 18 checked up and then gets hit from behind.
Yeah, the 26 of McMurray just had a run and he couldn't get off of him. You feel so bad about that when things like that happen. I mean, it's a chain reaction.
He's wrecking. We stay green.
He's got a right rear tire down.
And he's around. Kurt Busch.
No, and there goes Newman off the bumper of someone.
And Ryan
He's
Newman
in the wall.
Bring out the caution flag with just 7 laps to go.
Kind of thought that we may see another caution.
There is some drivers just licking their chops right now. I would say in particular Matt Kenseth, Martin Truex Jr., and Carl Edwards.
Now it's in the wall and it just stays in it.
And what a run he had tonight for roughly 350 something laps.
And around he goes, and you saw Newman sliding by fast.
Yeah, somebody ran in the back of Newman and spun him around.
Now there's Newman right of your screen. I think that's Almirola behind him.
Yeah, I know somebody got into him and turned him.
Eric Almirola got in the back of Newman.
You can see tires starting to blow out on that 39 car, and then he hits the inside wall hard.
That's a big lift.
Trouble turn 1, 2 cars hard in the wall. Quaffle is one, Scott Riggs is the other. 9th caution of the night. Dale Jarrett involved in that as well.
Yeah, he's down on the bottom of the track. I can't see damage. I don't know if he just spun to miss that or not. Yeah, got a little left front damage there. Not much.
Travis Quaffle's car, the 77, but who will reap the benefit of this caution will be Brian Vickers in the 25 car. Lost that lap early in the race. He finally gets back on the lead lap.
Darrell, as you said, at Talladega, you wrecked 25 of them all at once. Here, one at a time.
The result's the same. It's just agonizing for 500 miles. They just kind of look at all these cars now. They look like they did at Talladega when they come back out on the racetrack.
The top of your screen.
Like Quaffle just went around, and when he did, he come right up in front of Scott Riggs in the 10 car, and then I think Jarrett spun out back here, just locking up the brakes.
Let's see.
Car, I'm all spin down here, back it down, stay low, they're going to come back down, too.
Oh.
Inside you, inside.
I believe the M&M's car might have helped him around a little.
Turn 3, car on fire, sliding up and into the wall. Michael Waltrip.
Come on, buddy. Get out of that thing. Get it wound up. Come on.
Detonated big time.
Yeah, that's an oil fire. Looks, it's a lot, Mom. It's okay.
Okay.
Michael is okay. But that car, a huge explosion under the hood as he went into turn 3. And hopefully all those flames were under the car and not in the cockpit.
Yeah, it's an oil fire. The engine blew up, and because of that, the oil goes on the headers and everything, and it just flames up like that. It's not good, but it's not as bad as it looks. Man, oh man, that thing just exploded.
Big time.
I mean, it looks like a fuel car at the drag races.
Darrell, you've got to wonder if that spin earlier, if that engine stopping, counter rotation, whatever, might have stressed components to where this happens down the road. Yes, no?
It very well could have, Mike. Certainly anytime you turn a car around and turn the engine backwards, or, you know, over rev the engine. But see how the flame is staying out of the cockpit?
Yep.
It's not going up in the car with Michael. It's all behind. It's smoky in there, and it's hard to see, but there's the only problem when you get sideways, like you see how it tries to suck the flame in the car with him. But I think he's
and catch Brian Vickers in the 83 and Martin Truex Jr.
And there's Vickers, and there's Reagan. What's going on here?
Let it roll. I'm going to get 4 tires, a little bit of front end damage.
Look at the whole left side of the 83 car is gone. I mean, it's just ripped off, hanging on by a thread there.
Like he was hit with a can opener. Vickers trying to get there, gets into Truex, gets into Reagan instead. Oh boy!
Right here is where he rips the side out of that thing.
All that blue foam, if you remember, Jeff Hammond in the pre-race talked about that energy absorbent foam in the left and right side. That's what you saw flying out of there.
I want to ride with David Reagan.
I've never seen a car do that, I don't think.
And
neither had he.
I wonder if you would you have any spare foam?
Spin down the back straightaway, and it's Kurt Busch. And Kurt Busch falls back into the clutches of Clint Boyer.
Yeah, Boyer got in the back of him there and turned him around.
Busch lost his momentum coming off the corner. Boyer and everybody else still had theirs.
Yeah, that's unfortunate. Kurt did a nice job. The night car was running well. Top 11 there. That's a hard hit on that inside wall.
And thank goodness for safer barriers there. Spinner and hard hit in turn 3.
It's 48 car.
And A.J. Allmendinger, Jimmy Johnson, and A.J. hard up into the wall in 3.
Boy, look at that thing.
Now the caution had already come out when that happened, and
look at that
48 is junk.
I have never seen a 48 car torn up quite like that. She is done. Not a happy camper either. Oh, here comes
Jimmy Johnson just nowhere to go. The 43 car of Allmendinger just coming back up the racetrack right in front of him.
That is a huge hit.
So the caution apparently was for Conway into the wall.
Yeah, look at
Not sure why Allmendinger was so far down on the racetrack.
That's brutal right there, man. That is a hard lick.